everyone, my name is Scooter and welcome back to an unboxing video. I have been gone for quite a long time actually. I think my last video was like 4 months ago or something like that, and it was about the Q-pad or Nanomoon pad, I'm not sure, but I'm back and I have a really exciting unboxing. And so I live in Germany and I was always interested in Gigapets, but getting them here was quite hard. I managed to get a European Gigapet version, new in box, from 1997, I believe, and it's on its way. But when I was looking online for Gigapets in Europe or anywhere actually, I was really willing to pay the price to finally get some Gigapets because I really want to know what they're about. And I noticed that in Urban Outfitters is, I always thought it's like a fancy schmancy like clothing store. It turns out they are selling Gigapets, which is absolutely crazy to me because why would Urban Outfitters sell Gigapets? And I didn't know if it was a scam, but I got the floppy frog and the star cat, and then I got the dog and another floppy frog, but they're on their way because I was gonna do a comparison video between the 1997 dog and the new dog, so it's a whole thing. So let's just get right into it because I just got out of work and arrived home, so I'm quite excited. I hope I did not get scammed, because if I got scammed I'm going to be quite sad. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, so no way. They're actually Gigapets. I'm so excited. Okay, let's put the packaging aside and ignore this mess here. Again, oh my god. I just got out of work and I was immediately rushing to my desk, which is very messy because work has been busy and I didn't have no time to clean it. But wait, let me do this. Okay, there we go. Now we have just a camera. Okay. I'm speechless because that means I did not get scammed. I paid $32 per pet, which is very expensive considering you can get these for like $15 in America. But I mean, this is Europe, so like when it comes to virtual pets, we're all just we all got the short stick. I don't know if you can say it that way, I don't know, but we'll get into the floppy frog because I'm so excited for the floppy frog, but I also really love the cat. I'm currently running an angel gauge and my ID, but they're gonna be shut off real soon because I will be mainly focusing on the Gigapets. I will be getting. Oh, they're so pretty. Oh my god, the star cat is so pretty. Star cat or a Compute Kitty? Really kitty sounds. I don't know. I will run them both, honestly, because hell yeah. But I'm so excited that I did not get scammed. Oops. And they only unfortunately had like, I messed up the packaging. Good job me, but thank god I ordered another floppy frog. So if you're from Germany or have access to Urban Outfitters, try your luck with them. And hope that you might be able to get it. Unfortunately, they only had the dog and the cat and the fluffy frog, and I'm so excited. This is so gorgeous. Oh, this is so pretty. It's like clear and all that. It's absolutely gorgeous. Wow, ignore my nails. I work in retail, so my nails are not getting any attention. What about the manual? Are we getting a manual? There is a manual. I'm gonna take a look at the manual. I'm so excited, everyone, because this is my last video was quite a hit, the one with the Cupid, and I'm really glad that people enjoyed it. I got like 14k views, which I did not expect, because 14k views is large for me. Come on, floppy frog. There we go. Let's put the floppy frog aside. And now let's box the CompuKitty. I might just get another CompuKitty. I mean, I don't know how long they will be having these in stock, and I might just get 2 of each, because who knows how long I will be able to get Gigapets here in Germany. Well, and I messed up the packaging again. There we go. Because who knows? Who knows? So this is what it looks like. I love it. They feel really nice. Really, they feel like very sturdy pets and stuff. Like, they're really, really nice quality. They feel way better than the Tamagotchi Gen 1 reboots. Yes, I put my keyboard up there sideways because I have no space. But like, I'm sorry, but when it comes to looks, these beat Tamagotchi. Really, is it a scratch or is that part of the... Oh, it's a little firefly. Okay, this is just a basic background. Okay, so what type of batteries are they using? I got myself a bunch of CR2032 batteries. Pull tab and press button and hold to start. I'm gonna start with the CompuKitty because I have a cat of my own and I really want to see the cat meowing. So here we go. Oh my god. Ugh. What's the time? Good question. What is the time? Thank god I have a clock here. It's wrong. Oh, it goes back. Okay. Oops. Oh, love the fact I can just go back. 2 p.m. Enter. Okay. And we have roughly 40. Name. My real cat's name is Daphne. So I'm gonna... Oh my god. I don't know what I've done here. Psh. I'm just gonna go and hope I can change it. Okay, so I guess we can either get the CompuKitty, which is the basic one, or the Star Kitty. Oh, you can see Urban Outfitters, 32 euros, 26 Great British pounds. London. Wow. Okay. I want to play the Star Cat. That is the cutest thing ever. The animations. Oh my god, they're so great. Wow. How fluid these animations are. I am in love. Yep. I'm definitely ordering another CompuKitty because this shit is just adorable. Definitely worth the 32 bucks. In my eyes. Because it's so pretty. I will definitely get a new CompuKitty. And I really do like the floppy frog. Okay, so I don't know if these evolve. What is this? Oh, no. It doesn't want to do it. Okay, whatever you want, kitty. Their name is not Daphne, it's Daphne. Score is 80. 80, 80. 80, 80. Daphne. Okay. Reward trick. What is this? Let's go back. Okay. Why? No, why did she hiss at me? Why did she hiss at me? Is that, what is that? Training? Okay, let's give her something. Oh, we want to give her tuna. Oh yeah. Tuna. Yummy. Yummy, yummy. Whatever that is, I guess it's just your basic cat. I heard that you're not supposed to overfeed them or they get sick. Health, happiness, okay. Reward, trick spell, fly, play, transform, spell. This is the nappy. Oh, look at that. And it goes into the sky too. Alright, I'm really I think I'm gonna make a separate review because this is just very funny. And let's just go ahead and do our little floppy frog. And I don't know, should I get another Star Kitty while I can? You guys, it's just comment if I should get another CompuKitty because the design is so cute and I love the green. It reminds me of Kiropi, my favorite Sunreal character. Ow. And I messed up the clock on this one. It's not AM, it's 2 p.m. Enter. Now it's 40, I believe. Is it 40? Nah. It's 45 even. Enter. Name. I'm gonna name it Kiro for Kiropi. Can I go Kiropi with 1 P? Kiropi. Or is that another? Oh my god. It's an egg. Oh. Okay, so what I understood is that this is more of a traditional Gigapet, and this one here is more of a gimmicky Star Kitty. And if we picked the CompuKitty, it would be more like this one, if I understood it correctly. Oh my god, okay, it's yelling at me, My dearest, I don't know what you want. Okay, let's do something everyone does when we start up a Tamagotchi. Feed it. Oh my god. Oh, so cute. You guys don't understand how happy I am, because this is like, I'm like, I love virtual pets that are not Tamagotchi. I love Tamagotchis, and I did pre-order the unis. I pre-ordered 2 unis, even not just 1, 2. So I'm really excited because I love Tamagotchis, but it's just the charm of non-Tamagotchi V pets that really like get me, because this is so gorgeous. This is literally so pretty with the clear. I'm just in love with it, and I'm kind of glad I got more because this is just super pretty. So I'm so happy I got these. Oh, it did a flip. Okay. Does it want to sleep? Oh, okay. It wanted to sleep. Oh. I guess both of them were sleeping now. We can, come on. We have to wake my bootleg cat up. Okay, let's see what else we got. Name, sound, reset. No. No. Okay. Oh, and she did a poopy. A poopy. Oh, she's using a wand to just make herself clean. That is so adorable. Let's use the play option. Potions. Okay. Oh, how do we make that? Oh no. Oh, okay, so this is a ninja cat. So one of them making potions. I have to look into the manual to understand this one. This one is basically you have to time it. Okay. Oh, okay, so you have to time it. 1, 2. Okay, it's always 2. 1, 2, and then you press it. Yeah. I don't understand this. The amulet. Okay, I don't know what this is. Oops. Fortune telling. She doesn't. Okay. While Bootleg Kuropi is sleeping, we can take a look at the CompuKitty manual, or how I call it, the Star Cat manual, because I don't understand it. What you're supposed to do with this one. Oh my god. Oh, I'm so glad we looked at this. This is going to be a long video, guys, but you don't know how amazed I am, because finding Gigapets here in Germany is super crazy to me. Okay, so the Star Cat can do fortune telling, and they all have meanings. Once a day, when the score is at 100, Star Cat will look up to the sky and predict your future by reading the constellations. Okay. Is her score 100? How do I get her score to 100? Score 88. Hunger. Happiness. I don't know what this is. Oh, I would have loved to show you the happiness. Off the rocket.
it's a pixie. Score 95. Happiness 85. I guess we have to play a game. I'm just going to play this one here. Oh my god. Okay, I don't know how to get the score to 100, so maybe I will do a video about it. Levels of difficulty. StarCat is easy. Right at the beginning of the game, you will be presented with an option screen. White kitty, a black kitty, and set of arrows. The white kitty is a classic Compute kitty, and the black kitty is a magical StarCat. To select which kitty you would like to play with, use the left and right keys to select the arrow pointing. Okay, the Compute Kitty is a remake of the model released in 1997 and features all the same nostalgic animations. This kitty loves attention, is challenging. Okay, more advanced players. StarCat is low maintenance. Discipline. Score. Okay. Penny needs about 3 naps. Just want to see the, how do I get the thing up? Great, then I just left it over. Play, cleaning, discipline. Okay, select this activity to discipline your pet. Your pet does not like to be disciplined, but some discipline is necessary. You want your pet to behave properly. Don't select this activity too often or your pet will become unhappy and loving. You can also use training. Your pet can do all sorts of interesting things. Okay, let's try this for a Compute Kitty or StarCat training. Trick. Spell. I can't tell if this was... No. Can't tell if this was the trick. Fly. Oh, I guess it's like, no, she messed it up. Because that is not flying, my dear. That is definitely no flying. Oh my god. Okay. Play. That is flying. But we will reward her regardless. Because I don't know what we just did there. Spell fly. Okay, Compute Kitty is not happy. Compute Kitty does not want to do it. Discipline. Okay, we have to feed her, I guess, and then we will be at 100, I hope. Please, yes, score 100. Okay, okay, okay. Quickly, let's go to the fortune telling. She's looking at the sky, and we are predicted with the duck. Let's quickly get our manual here. Oops, the bird. News is swooping in on you today. Pounce before it gets away, or if you've been waiting for a sign, this is it. Thanks, Compute Kitty, you saved my life. Or, sorry, Star Cat. This is so adorable. But yeah, this is my unboxing and first impression of the Gigapets. I am in love, and I'm so glad that I get to have these in my collection. As someone who's in Germany and usually does not have access to Gigapets, I wanted to order them from Amazon US, but they didn't take my payment for some reason because I don't have American payment. So I'm glad I got these. I'm kind of happy I got these. Why are you scratching me, Katie? Let's get you over here. Come on. I wanted to take a cute thumbnail, but there we go. Let's quickly clean up his poop. Give him a good wash. Yay! So cute. Let's see. Alright. I thank everyone for watching me do this because I'm really excited about these Gigapets because it's something different. So thank you for everyone for joining in after such a long time, and I hope it entertained you in some way. I will be doing an update on these in a few days. I will be showing you the vintage European version Gigapet when I get it, and I will compare it to the doggy once I get it as well. So thank you everyone, and see you in the next one.